Oh, so that's what you do? Oh, that's wonderful.
Pallavi? Hi.
Hi, you are Uma. Hi, Uma.
Hi, Pallavi. Pallavi, what do you do?
I am a charismatic communication coach, Uma.
What does that mean?
So, do you realize that, sometimes in networking events like these, there are those awkward silences, or you
Yeah.
don't know how to introduce yourself? I help people overcome those and I help people introduce themselves appropriately. Sometimes, people don't really understand the importance of using their body language, their voice modulation. I help them there as well. And a lot of times, you've seen people feel very stressed when they have to speak in front of people, right?
Right.
So I help them practice their communication, expressing themselves fully in such a way that it becomes very natural for them to start conversations, ask the right questions. That's what I do.
Lovely.
So let's connect and make those awkward silences and ineffective communication a thing of the past. Yes?